Hello, everybody, and welcome to How to Make Your Wife Happy and Healthy. Today we have a special
Kitchen Gadget Corner with Daddy,
where I'm going to review this OXO Good Grips vegetable brush. If you like to eat the skin on your baked potatoes or french fries, then it's imperative that you clean the skin well. So instead of using my hands to rub the potatoes underwater, I got this OXO Good Grips vegetable brush from Amazon.com for about $6. The brush is very easy to grip and hold as you scrub your potatoes and does a great job of cleaning the skin. I believe it also scrapes off some of the outer skin of the potato, as I have also tried the brush on zucchini and squash, where I can tell you that the skin will begin to peel off while using the brush. Personally, I am very happy with this scrubber, as it makes it much more convenient to cook baked potatoes where I have the confidence to eat the skin. So if you need a vegetable scrubber, this scrubber feels comfortable and does the job well. Next week's video, I will use the vegetable scrubber to show you an easy way to make baked potatoes with a flavorful skin. Happy Healthy Wife Chef Barry here, reminding you to click on that like button or leave a comment down below. It helps out a lot. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified of all my new videos that come out on Mondays. Thanks for watching. Have a happy and healthy day.